In this video, we're going to be solving a question from the Chinese Math Olympiad. Given A, a number consisting of a sequence of 81 nines, then find the digit sum of A squared. So let's start from A squared. A, just a sequence of 81 nines. 81. Because 10 to the power k is easier for calculation, so here we plus 1, then minus 1. Then outside squared. Then combine these two together. Then equals 10 to the power of 81. Then minus 1. Then squared. Then expand this expression. Then just 10 to the power of 2 times 81. Then minus 2 times 10 to the power of 81. Then plus 1. Then for this one, for this number, just 1 followed by 2 times 81 zeros. So that means here is 1, then followed by first 81 zeros. Then another 81 zeros. In here, another 81 zeros. Then 2 times 10 to the power 81 means 2 followed by 81 zeros. So then here, so 81 zeros is here. So then 2 corresponding this digit, so here. Then minus 2. Then the last digit plus 1. Then here just 1. Then plus. So now let's do the calculation. In here equal. So then the last digit is 1. Then here just 0. Then corresponding here is a 0. So then for this part minus 2. So then this place corresponding number 8. So then here that's 9. Then here just 9. So then this place that's 9. Then here there are 80 nines. Okay, so now let's see the digit sum. So the digit sum of A squared just equals 80 times 9 times 9, then plus 8 plus 1, then plus 8 plus 1, then just equals 729. 729 is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching.